Hi there. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Facebook not working problem. I'm going to show you a few methods that you can try. The first one is to go to App Store and make sure that Facebook is up to date. So you need to search for Facebook and go to it. If it says open, that means that Facebook is already up to date and there is no available update to install. The next method that you can try is to go to your settings, scroll down until you find Safari browser, click on it once you find it and scroll down, and then click on clear history and website data. Once you click on it, go back to Facebook and see if the problem has been resolved. The next method that you can try is to remove Facebook from your device and install it again. This might resolve the issue, so try this method as well. If the problem continues, go to your settings and make sure that your device is up to date. So click on General and then Software Update. If there is an available update for you, it's going to show up on here. As you can see, there isn't any on my device, so that should be fine. So the reason of the issue isn't that my phone is not updated. The last thing that you can try is to make sure that your internet connection is working fine. This might be causing the issue, so try disconnecting your Wi-Fi and reconnecting it again.